So I think I finally mustered up enough motivation to go out here and try and tackle this bus. I'm tired of waiting on people to help me, so I figured if anybody's gonna mess it up any more than it already is, it's gonna have to be me.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought was gone was sitting in.
So the UPS guy just came and dropped off a package to Florida Chicks Tiny Adventures. So that can only mean one thing, that it's coming from a company that wants to send me some free products, which I always love. And today we have the, I don't know how to pronounce this, but the Viofo 4K UHD dash camera right here. And I'm gonna put this, whenever I get done with this bus, I wanna put it in the bus. So we got the camera here, and then it also came with a hard wiring kit, polarizing filter lens, an extra lens, wireless Bluetooth remote control as well. And it came with a 128 gigabyte micro SD card. So let me show you where I'm at so far. I've gone around with this stuff, OSFO. Stops rust, prepares rusted surfaces for painting. I have a little bit left, but I went around and got the most heavily rusted areas with that, and it says it needs to set for like 24 hours, so you can kind of see it working right now. It's turning black. And I kind of just cleaned the whole area, took all the metal sheets off, which are down there, and yeah, just been sweeping and getting all the debris out. This is just crap that I need to get out of here. This is an AC unit that I was using during the storm that needs to go back to my mom's, or maybe I'll use it in here if the bus ever gets finished. This is a propane heater from out of the camper when we were redoing the booth seat area in there. So I don't know if I'll use that in here or not, but it's here for now. And a solar panel. And yeah, this area over here, I don't really know. I had already started taking it out, obviously. And then somebody's like, no, don't take it out because that is the insulation. But I can't keep it. I just took this bottom part out and it's all rotted away and gross. So I don't know if I should be ripping this out or not, but I definitely think I shouldn't be leaving it in there, that's for sure. But, so then I was trying to rip this off, but then it's being held on by these two bolts down here. So I'm going to attempt trying to take these bolts off, and then I can rip this off, and then I can continue ripping the rest of this off, and so on and so forth.
Burn all bridges, all I know. I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may.
So I can't get this bolt off right here. I can't get anything in here to hold it, and my hand grip just isn't enough to hold the end of this bolt so I can get the nut off on this side. If I keep doing that, it just spins on this side. Nothing I can get in there will fit to hold it, and it's just super frustrating. I don't know what to do. I swear, out of all the things that I have built in these past couple years, this has been the most aggravating. It's a lot easier to work with wood, that's for sure. There's just too many, I don't know. This is why the bus is isn't getting done because I keep, oh, I just hit myself in the shin with this. I just keep running into problems that keep deterring me from moving forward. Every time I get enough energy or motivation to come out here and do something, I'm quickly interrupted by problem after problem after problem. And they seem to be problems that I cannot fix at the moment or at any moment to come. I'm just getting fed up with this altogether. But where there's a will, there's a way, right? You guys have all given me a bunch of ideas on other things, but I'm just to the point now where I just want somebody else to do it, honestly. Get me to the point that I can do what I can do, because I feel like it's been a year now. It just popped up on my Facebook memory of me picking up this bus. Oh my God. Yeah. Anyways, it's been a year now, and I definitely did not anticipate this much rust when I bought it. And I'm sure over time it's gotten worse than it was when I bought it, because it's been exposed and yada yada yada. But yeah, I don't know what to do at this point. You know, I don't want to just give it up because I do have money into it, obviously. Nothing that I've spent outside of what I paid for it, but mechanically she is perfect. There's nothing wrong with it mechanically, and to me that is more important than, you know, the cosmetic things. And I thought that it wouldn't be easy, but I thought that it wouldn't be this difficult, that's for sure. And rust is your worst enemy, and I'm coming to find that out, and I'm just aggravated. I'm just aggravated.